Hello and welcome to the Arduino tutorials for beginners. Today we are going to look at how to install the Arduino IDE. If you have issue installing the IDE or if you stuck along the way, kindly put it in the comment section and I will do my best to help you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. Alright, now open your browser and search for Arduino IDE. Open the link that shows up. We have Arduino IDE. As you can see here, we have a list of various options for Windows, for Linux, and for Mac OS. So I'm using Windows. So I'm going to click on the Windows 10. Once it comes here, you can either donate to the Arduino ecosystem or just download it. Just click on download. Now wait for the download to complete. Once it is done, open the folder and double click the file you have downloaded. Follow the on-screen instruction so you can read the terms of the service. I know that you won't read, so just agree it. And click on next. You can select the location you want to install the IDE. You can just leave the default one and click on next. The installation may take some time depending on the speed of your PC, so just exercise patience. Okay, so now take the Run Arduino IDE and click on Finish. Congratulations, you have successfully installed the Arduino IDE. Now let's go and add some of the important board, especially the ESP32 and the ESP8266. So just search for the ESP32 and install it. It may take a couple of time, so just wait. When you are prompted to install any driver, click on install. The ESP32 comes in two versions. We have the one from the Arduino community and the one from ESP32. So you can install that one as well. Again, wait for the installation to finish. Once it is done, we are going to install the ESP8266. With this one, it is not added by default, so you have to go to a website and download it. As you can see, the ESP82 is not part. So let me show you how to install it. Open your browser and enter DIYGH.com. Now go to the tutorial section. You see a blog how to install ESP32 NodeMCU. Click on it. I have also added a direct link to this particular blog in the description. So go here and just copy the link. Then return to the Arduino IDE. Click on File. Click on Preferences. And paste the link you copied to the additional board manager. Now click on OK. Once you are done, let's go and search for the ESP8266, and you see that it will be part of the Arduino box. So now install it. It will take a couple of time, so please exercise patience as you wait for the Arduino board for the ESP to install. Once it is installed, you have completed all the basic tasks for installing the Arduino. So let's go and see. You see that the ESP8266 is part. This library also contains the NodeMCU and the Wemos Mini and D1. So you can search for NodeMCU here. Alright, as you can see. Now click on OK. So you have completed the installation of the Arduino IDE together with the ESP ecosystem. We also have some examples that you can test if you are not sure. So go to the examples and select the ESP8266. You see that we have so many examples. The same thing also applies to the ESP32 board. Okay, so that is all for today. We are kickstarting our journey into the Arduino. And as you wait for the next tutorial, kindly like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss a single tutorial from us. See you in the next video. Thank you.